For today, we're going to need our chalkboard again, 2 pieces of toilet paper, our chalk, a little teeny tiny water bowl, and then for later, a pencil, a crayon, and your E worksheet that has an eagle on it. Okay, we'll set this to the side for now. We're going to do the same thing as we did last week with the wet, dry, try. As we use our chalkboards, we'll be able to see the wet part better as it gets a little bit stained from the chalk. So I'm going to take my toilet paper and we're going to form letter E. To make E, we need a big line, and then we rib it back to the top, and we do little line, little line, little line. Okay, so we're going to start top to bottom, rib it, little line, little line, little line. Okay, then I'm going to pick up the dry tissue, do top to bottom, rib it, little line, little line, little line. After this, we're going to do chalk and we try top to bottom, rib it, little line, little line, little line. Okay, we'll do it again. We take our wet, top to bottom, rib it, little line, little line, little line. We take our dry, top to bottom, rib it, little line, little line, little line. Then we take our chalk and we try top to bottom, rib it, little line, little line, little line. Please encourage your child to talk through the steps. And also, I just want to remind you that we should be erasing and wetting the exact same way we are writing. This is giving us 3 times the practice of letter formation if we do it this way, okay? This is part of the strategy that Handwriting Without Tears uses to get tons and tons of practice. Alright, once you have written the letter E 3 or 4 times, we're going to move on to our handwriting sheet. I'm also going to show you parents, if your printout is pretty faint, where you can't see the shadow boxes very well, I'm going to draw an outline in my shadow boxes because we want our child to really try to stay within a boundary, okay? So I'm going to draw 2 of these just to highlight the shadow box. If the top line is not dark enough where you can see the shadows, then please go ahead and take a marker and trace around it. Okay, I'm going to start with my E. We do top to bottom, rib it, little line, little line, little line. Try really hard to stay inside that shadow box, okay? E, big line top to bottom, rib it, little line, little line, little line. Alright, next one. Start at the dot, top to bottom, rib it, little line, little line, little line. Okay. Top to bottom, rib it, little line, little line, little line. We're going to repeat the same on the bottom. We bump the bottom line, rib it to the top, and little lines. Top to bottom, rib it, little line, little line, little line. Okay, and on the last one, your child has to know where to start.